Okay, so just going back to the session, I mean, essentially, what you're saying is that most people look for the obvious, i.e. they look for something where you say a corner plot or something where they knock a property down, but you actually look for properties that perhaps aren't obvious where the potential is. Yeah. You've got examples of that?
Yes, I mean things like I don't look for the obvious plots. There's so many people after those that, that I try and be more creative about how I can add value to somewhere.
Okay.
Just a very low risk example is just taking a one bedroom flat, which is big.
Yes.
Which is big enough to make it a two bedroom flat.
Right.
Obviously you need to make sure that you've got enough windows in it and you can get a second bedroom in somewhere. But you can often move a bathroom that has got a window in it already.
Right.
It's probably too big for the flat, the bathroom. Make that a bedroom, and then as long as you can get all your plumbing to work correctly and go the right directions, then you can put your bathroom in somewhere else, as long as the flat's big enough. And that's a very low risk way of adding value.
Right.
So very rough figures is, which I did a lot of to start with in my portfolio building, was buy a flat for say 100,000.
Yeah.
Spend 20,000 on it to make it into a two-bedroom flat.
Right.
It's then worth 150,000.
Yes.
So you can either sell it for 30,000 profit, less selling costs,
Yeah.
or you can then refinance that to a higher level
Take the money out.
and use your deposit, get your deposit back, and also your refurbishment costs. So the capital you've used to do that project, you can then get back again to do the next one. And that's how I started to build up my portfolio to start with. It's very low risk, there's no planning permission required. Got to be careful of leases. Check you can do that with a lease.
Sure.
And you can get in and do that within 2 months. And so literally you can do maybe 4 a year like that, as long as you can find the properties.